Welcome to Calculus One for Everyone. This was an idea that I had for a free online Calculus One course that's intended to be accessible to literally anyone. It's going to cover the same material that you would cover in a university Calculus One course, and I'm intending to fit it into the time span of the fall 2026 semester. Of course, everything is going to be online, so the pacing is entirely what you decide it to be. There are only two things that I would ask of somebody that wanted to take this course, and the first is that you enjoy learning. So there are no deadlines or exams or quizzes or anything like that to motivate you to make progress through the material. And so your motivation is going to entirely come from you, and I do hope that you enjoy learning this material. The second thing that I would ask is that you have a willingness to ask questions. And I really do intend this course to be accessible to anyone. So if, for example, you're someone who wanted to learn calculus, but just felt like it would be too much work to go back and relearn all of the material that you've forgotten, or maybe you're somebody that doesn't even have a math background at all, but you still want to learn calculus, I hope that you'll work through this course. Um, and if there's ever anything that you don't entirely understand, just write a comment in the video and ask any kind of question, any concept that you want explained more, or you want some examples or anything like that. I'll periodically go through the comments, and I'll put them together in a video that I'm going to call an office hours video, and I'll answer any kind of questions that you have. Okay, so all of that depends on your willingness to ask questions, so that's what I'm going to ask of you. One last note that I'm going to mention about this course is that I'm going to do everything by hand, so there's not going to be any calculators or apps or anything like that. Of course, you are free to do everything the way that you want to do it, but I'm going to stick to writing everything on the screen like this. Well, that's pretty much it. Um, So let's go ahead and get started. And the next video, I'm going to talk about functions, which are really the raw material that we work with when we're doing calculus.